Good morning, our reviews crew. This is Spencer Pines here. Today we're doing a pretty big unboxing. That's why I've got my camera pulled out instead of on my desk here. Today we're going to be looking at the Crosley Cruiser Plus portable turntable. Very kind of excited to open up this. This isn't a sponsored video of any kind. In the written review I will have an Amazon affiliate link if anyone's interested in purchasing that, but that's about the extent of anything sort of sponsored on this. All my thoughts and opinions are my own. Crosley did not send this to me. iReview sent this to me, so yeah, just always got to get that out of the way. But yeah, this is a portable record player, and I'm just going to go ahead and get this open. Yeah, pretty excited about this because, as some of you may have noticed in some other videos, we do have quite a few vinyl records around here. Most of them are my parents', but I do have some of my own. And we've actually got one right over here, which kind of professional grade one, so I'll actually be able to compare this to like a nice one. I haven't heard great things about this one. It seems to be sort of like a starter record player for people just kind of were slightly interested in the hobby. See AC adapter here, standard plug. Other than that, I think it's just a record player. Oh wait, there's a sheet of paper. It's some legal stuff. And anything else? Instructions there. I do like how it looks sort of like a suitcase kind of thing. Does look very portable. I think you could also use this as like a Bluetooth speaker if you wanted to do that for whatever reason. And the speakers are built in. So again, I've heard they're not like great, but record enthusiasts usually want like the clearest sound out of like possible. For like casual fans, this probably does the job. I have heard rumors that it could ruin the records. I hope that's not the case because we have a few rare ones. Ooh. Smells nice at least. Alright. That styrofoam block off there. There's a headphone jack, that's nice. Volume and power controls are right there. It was an easy unboxing. You have to put anything together. Yeah, it looks like a fairly standard record player. Some switches on there. Yeah, you can use it for Bluetooth. Interesting. You get a closer shot right there. It is very nice looking. Some ports on the back, so you could hook this up to a stereo system, which fortunately we have. The aesthetic is really nice on this. It does seem very, very portable. So first impressions are good so far, but of course for any sort of music device, the most important part is the sound quality. So I'm gonna test this out, try and find a record that isn't gonna give me YouTube content ID, and see how it works. So I'll be back with my full video review and my more in-depth written review. So make sure you like, comment, and subscribe if you want to see that. We've got other content creators on here that do a great job. I always say that. And that's it. Good night.